Good morning, my dear students. Today's session we discussed about the classification of elements based on chemical properties or based on electronic configuration. Next session, classification of elements based on chemical properties. Okay, classification of elements based on chemical properties. Now, based on the chemical properties are electronic configuration or electronic configuration. Okay, simple. Classification of elements based on chemical properties are electronic configuration. Now, based on the chemical properties, the classification of elements are 4 types. Simple. Based on chemical properties, the classification of elements are 4 types. First one, they are first one, noble gases. Second one, representative elements. And third one, transition elements. And fourth one, inner transition elements. Based on electronic configuration, the classification of elements are based on classification of elements based on chemical properties or electronic configuration. The elements are classified into 4 types: noble gases, representative elements, transition elements, inner transition elements. Now we discussed about the first one is noble gases. What is meant by noble gases? This is the first point, first topic of based on chemical properties. Noble gases means, what is meant by noble gases? The elements belongs to 8th A group or 0 group. Elements are called as a, what is that one means? Noble gases. What is meant by noble gases means, the elements belongs to 8th A group elements or 0 group elements are called, what is that one means? Noble gases or 0 group elements or inert gas elements. Now, what are those elements are present in the noble gases means? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are elements are called as a, what is that one means? Noble gases. Now, here observation one point, except helium, remaining elements exist octet electronic configuration. Octet electronic configuration means ns2 np6 means they have 8 electrons from their valence they have 8 electrons, then valency cell, it is called as a octet electronic configuration. Then the octet electronic configuration is containing in the 0 group elements, there is no participated any chemical reactions. Why? Because it is containing octet electronic configuration. When the octet electronic configuration, the elements there is no participated any chemical reactions. Now last point, what is the last points means? These elements occur, these elements occur in atmospheric occur in atmosphere, like that rarely these elements is occur rarely in atmosphere, so it is called as a, what is that one means? Rare gases. When those are elements are obtained from the atmospheric in nature, so it is called as a, what is that one means? Rare gases. It is information about the S block elements, like that. S block noble gases. What is meant by noble gases? These elements belongs to 8A group elements or inert group elements. It is called as a noble gases. Noble gases: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Except helium. Helium is containing only 1s2 electronic configuration, but remaining neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these are elements or exist in octet electronic configuration. When these elements is containing octet or fulfilled electronic configuration, do not participate in any chemical reaction. Those are elements is obtained from the atmospheric, rarely in atmospheric nature. It is called as a, what is that one means? Rare gases. This is about the information about the only noble gases. What is meant by noble gases will be finished. Now then goes to second properties. Second properties, what is the second property? The second properties we discussed about the, what is the second property? The second properties belongs to representative elements. Now second one is representative elements. What is meant by representative elements? Representative elements means, what is meant by? Except zero group are noble gases. Except zero group, S and P block elements are called representative elements. What is meant by representative elements? Except zero group means except noble gases, S and P block elements are called as a, what is that one means? Representative elements. These are elements metals, non-metals. These are elements metals and non-metals and metals, non-metals, and another one metalloids, metals, non-metals, metalloids, and semi-metals, also is present. Semi-metals are also present. Now third point, these are the element. These are elements. Loss or gain, which is exist octet electronic configuration. means octet electronic configuration. What about these are elements? For example, representative elements, sometimes which lose the electron and gain the electron, which is exist from the octet electronic configuration. When we have to suitable example from, we have to take NaCl. This is the NaCl which is converted to the Na plus Cl minus. For example, Na is the sodium is first A group elements. First A means what about the sodium atomic number 11? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1 means loss of one electron in the 3s orbital of sodium. Now we get Na plus. As well as we have to take chlorine. Chlorine is atomic number is 17. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Here observation, chlorine want to one electron which is exist from the octet electronic configuration. When they lose the one electron sodium, which is gain the one electron of chlorine. Totally loss of electrons is the sodium is formation of positive charge. The chlorine which is gain the one electron negative charge. Total it is formation of NaCl means what you understood means here the element which lose the electron and gain the electron, the element which is exist from the octet electronic configuration. Now last point, general electronic configuration. General electronic configuration. General electronic configuration of representative elements. Now write here NS2, NP 1 to 5. NP 1 to 5. This is about the representative elements. What is meant by representative elements means except zero group. Except zero group, S and P block elements is called as a representative elements. These are elements are present in metal, non-metal, metalloids and semi-metal also is present. These are elements lose the electron and gain the electron which is exist octet electronic configuration. We show examples of formation of NaCl. Sometimes Na sodium will be first A group element which is lose the electron. Chlorine is P block element which is gain the electron. Totally formation of NaCl. Now general electronic configuration of representative elements is the NS2 NP 1 to 5. This is about the representative elements. Now then third one, what is the third one? Third one is transition elements. It is a very important topic of this. This is also very important from IP examination 8 marks question. It is very easy, you don't worry about that one. Now then we discussed about the next topic is transition elements. What is meant by transition elements? Now once again I recall, transition elements means partially filled D block elements is called as a transition elements. Now third one, transition elements. What is meant by transition elements? Partially filled D block elements. D block elements are called partially filled D block elements are called transition elements. Okay, are you understood what is meant by transition elements? The D block elements having partially filled electronic configuration is called as a transition elements. The D block elements having partially filled electronic configuration is called the D block elements having partially filled electronic configuration is called as a transition elements. But here one thing we are observation, zinc, cadmium, mercury. These three elements is D block elements. These three elements D block elements, but not transition elements. Not transition elements. Why? Because we have to take zinc. Zinc atomic number is 30. N 4s2 means like that 3s2 4s2 3d10. 4s2 3d10 means it is fulfilled electronic configuration. Already we know partially the d block elements having partially filled electronic configuration of elements are called as the transition elements, but it is fulfilled electronic configuration. It is a d block elements but not a transition elements. Note we have to observation note all the d block elements is considered transition elements, but all transition elements cannot consider from d block elements. It is very, very important. Now another one, it is next point, what is that one means? They have d block elements having very hard and heavy metals. D block elements having very hard and heavy metals. The D block very hard and heavy metals. D block, they are good conductor heat and electricity. They are good conductor heat and electricity. Heat and electricity. Those are the D block elements are very good conductor, like that iron is a good conductor, aluminum is a good conductor. Those are metals are good conductor heat and electricity. They are having high melting point and boiling point. They are having high MP means melting point, BP means boiling point. They are having high melting point and boiling points. Those are metals are exist different oxidation state. Now they exist different oxidation state. Different oxidation state. Like that we have to take example Fe+2, it is called as a ferrous. Now Fe+3, it is called as a, what is that one means? Ferric. It is called as a ferric. Now there exist different oxidation state. Iron is +2 ferrous and +3 is the ferric. Now there exist different types of colors. They exist different colors. They exist different color. What are those? I will write here. For example, copper is blue. Copper +2 is blue color. And manganese Mn+2 is a pink color. Means they are exist in different oxidation state. The formation of alloys. The formation of alloys means, what is meant by alloys means the more than one metal, the mixture of more than one metal, it is called as a alloys. Now they exist the formation of alloys. Example, brass, copper plus zinc, it is formation of alloys. Now another one, it is exist different types of magnetic behavior. The D block, the transition elements exist in paramagnetic behavior. The transition elements exist paramagnetic behavior. Why? Because it is exist. Why these transition elements are exist paramagnetic behavior means it is containing unpaired electrons. When the unpaired electrons are present in the D block elements, that elements are exist in the paramagnetic behavior. Now next point, all the D block elements are utilized from the catalytic behavior. What is meant by catalytic behavior? What is meant by catalytic behavior? Do not participate in any chemical reaction, but rate of the reaction will be increases. It is called as a catalytic property. Like that, formation of ammonia N2+, 3H2. Here utilized from iron is catalyst, and iron is catalyst, and iron catalyst is formation of 2 moles of NH3. Iron is a best example. Iron is catalyst, and molybdenum is the act as a promoter. Now then another one, unsaturated hydrocarbons is converted to the saturated hydrocarbon. CH2 double bond CH2. Here hydrogenation will be takes place. Now adding the hydrogen in the presence of nickel, it is converted to the CH3 single bond CH3. It is the catalytic behavior of D block or transition elements. Totally the general electronic configuration of D block elements is NS2 n minus 1 into D 1 to 9. The general electronic configuration of transition elements. These are belongs to total information, complete information about the transition elements. What is meant by transition elements? Partially filled. The D block elements having partially filled electronic configuration is called as a transition elements. Like that we have to take zinc, cadmium, mercury. Those are is called as a D block elements, but transition elements because it is containing fulfilled electronic configuration. These are very hard and heavy metals. They are good conductor, heat and electricity. They are having high melting and boiling point. They exist different oxidation state. Iron is ferrous and ferric. They exist different colors. Copper is blue color and manganese is the pink color. The formation of alloys. What is meant by alloys means more than one, the mixture of more than one metal, it is called as alloys. Example we have to take brass. The transition elements exist paramagnetic behavior. Why? Because it is containing unpaired electrons. It is exist catalytic behavior. Here formation of ammonia in the using of iron is the catalyst. Formation of unsaturated hydrocarbons is converted to the saturated hydrocarbons. Here nickel is catalytic behavior. General electronic configuration of in the D block transition elements NS2 n minus 1 into D 1 to 10. This is about the transition elements. Now last one is the inner transition elements. Inner transition elements. So sorry. Like last one, inner transition elements. This is the fourth one, inner transition elements. What about the inner transition elements? Inner transition elements means already we know a block elements is called as a inner transition element. Simple. F block elements is called as a inner transition elements. The differentiating electron enter to the f orbital, it is known as a F block elements. F block elements are n minus 2 f orbital. Like that inner transition elements means, what is meant by inner transition elements? The differentiating electron enter to the n minus 2 f orbital, it is known as a inner transition elements. Inner transition elements means n minus 2 into f orbital. The differentiating electron enter to the n minus 2 into f orbitals, it is known as a inner transition element. Simply the inner transition elements is called as a F block elements. Now here observation, these inner transition elements are classified into two types. Inner transition elements are classified into two types. What is that one? Already we know this is called as a 4F series. 4F series is called as a, what is that one? Lanthanoids. And another one 5F series. 5F series is called as a, what is that one? Actinoids. Actinides. Lanthanoids and actinoids. Lanthanoids and actinides. What are the lanthanoids? What are the actinides? For example, this is called as a 4F series is the lanthanides, will be started from cerium to lutetium 58 to 71. 58 to 71. Actinides, thorium to lowurtium. This is the 90 to 103. 90 to 103. This is about the inner transition elements. The general electronic configuration of inner transition elements. General electronic configuration of inner transition elements is equals to n minus 2 into F 1 to 14 n minus 1 into D0R1 NS2. This is the inner transition electronic configuration. Here very important, the general oxidation state of inner transition elements is plus 3. Very important point. General oxidation state of inner transition elements is plus 3. Totally we completed session 3. Now we need understood from my class or satisfied. This channel, subscribe and another class అర్థమై ఉంటే if you need understood my class, నా యొక్క ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి.